I believe this is question 62. It says, write an inequality to represent this situation. Adult tickets to the game are sold for $7 and student tickets are sold for $5. What combination of tickets must be sold to have a total sales of at least $5,000? So I don't know. I'm gonna pick a couple variables here, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna let A be the number of adult tickets sold, and I'm going to let students. I'm going to let S be the number of student tickets sold. So with those two variables established, we're saying, for example, if I take 7 times A, that represents how much money I make for selling A adult tickets. So if I sold no adult tickets, that would be 0. If I sold 1, it would be $7. If I sold exactly 4 adult tickets, that would generate $28. So that expression 7A is equivalent to the amount of money generated from selling 7 adult tickets. And then I could add to that $5 for every single student ticket sold. So that expression represents how many dollars I make for selling student tickets. Now, together this expression, and I don't know how many adult or student tickets I've sold, and I don't know what combinations they are, and frankly this problem doesn't give me enough information to really make that determination. All I'm doing is writing an inequality, and the inequality I'm supposed to write says that the amount of money I generate is at least $5,000. Remember, this expression, that thing got excited. Sorry about that. That expression, that was really embarrassing. This expression right here, 7A plus 5X, that represents how much money I've generated from selling certain tickets. So what I want that number to be at least 5,000. That means it could be 5,000, right? But it could also be more than that. At least means at least that much, but possibly more. So I'm writing that the amount of money I generate, 7A plus 5S, must be greater than or equal to $5,000. And as we've seen, during this chapter, that would be something we would consider a constraint, and we could perhaps graph that if we had a relationship where A's were perhaps X and S's were Y's. That's the answer to question 62.